Hello everybody, hi! My name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Today I have another Lolita unboxing for you today. I am so excited for it. It is one of my dream dresses that has been on my wish list for like a few years? A very long time. This is one of the dresses that I saw in my early days of discovering Lolita and I was like, girl, that is cute. It is Angelic Pretty's Cream Cookie Collection. I have the OP in mint to unbox for you today and I am so excited. I actually originally wanted the JSK in mint, but then I realized I don't necessarily have a blouse that I think that goes with it, but also this particular listing that I found actually has the matching head bow. I don't know about you, but I have never seen a single listing of Cream Cookie Collection with the matching head bow. So I was like, okay, yoink. And then if one day I was like, no, I actually do want the JSK, then I can just sell the OP and continue to have the amazing matching head bow. Exciting. Yeah, without further ado, let's get on with this unboxing. I'm gonna grab my snip cute scissors and let's get started. Here is the package, and this came from Canada, so it actually came to me during the quarantine. So here she is. There were significant delays, but not nearly as significant as the delays of my packages that are still currently in Japan, but we can rant about that later. Let's go ahead and open a snippy snip. Snip, snip. Okay, let me see. Oh, we have a flap that is a flapping. Oh, here she is. There she blows. It is obviously in some colored bags because this is obviously not what I ordered. So I do not see the cream and I do not see the cookies. Wow, it was really stuffed in there. Okay, it is in a series of bags. Good to know that my pieces are protected. There we go. I'm just wondering why there's like multiple bags in here. There is a little note. Thanks for your purchase. I hope you like the dress. The bodyline shirt is a gift. Oh, that's why there's multiple packages. She gave me something for free. That's way too nice. You didn't have to do that. Thank you. What the heck is the bodyline shirt is a gift. It's brand new. I just tried it once. I hope you have a great one and stay safe. So sweet. I'm thinking that this one here is gonna be the little free gift that she gave me. Oh, pineapples. This is the free gift. Oh. And the head bow. We'll get to that in a second. Aww. It is a bodyline blouse with a square collar, lots of lace, lots of ribbon. It's one of those blouses that can be long sleeve or short sleeve. I just wonder how I can make this work. I do not know if there's anything in my closet that can go with this, but you know, I'll keep her around and we'll see. Thank you. I wasn't even expecting that. Also in that bag was the head bow. It's just one of those like simple like tie alligator clip head bows. I love when a coordinate is all super matchy and when I don't have matching head bows for all of my pieces I get very distressed. I'm like, I need the matching head bow. This is so exciting. I don't even think I've seen anybody like have the matching head bow. So this is just so exciting. Ah, yay! Cookie creams. And that means that this must be the dress. Let's scooch her out. Kablam! There she is. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Damn! Wait a second. What? There's like some poof in the skirt. I didn't even expect there to be a little bit of a mini petty. The stock photos really like don't do it justice. Like there are so many little details that I'm just now seeing. Let's put this on a hanger and continue to revel in its glory. All right, so she's on a hanger. I don't know where to begin. I guess I'll just begin at the collar. The collar has really small, adorable polka dot lace. This ribbon is actually like a ribbed ribbon. This little ribbon, which is detachable, and then this waist ribbon is not detachable. The buttons, which I knew going in, but the buttons are tiny little cookies, and it's adorable. I want to cry. The ivory is a very, very deep ivory. I'd say this is more of like a vintage ivory color. Ivory is probably one of my favorite colors to wear in Lolita fashion, and this just like takes the cake. It is such a beautiful hue. Now going on to the pattern, obviously we got lots of cookies, we've got biscuits, we've got cream, we have little mini biscuit bears, ribbons around that say Angelic Pretty on it. This says Cocoa Cookie. Here is Mini Bear Cookie. This is Keep Calm and Eat a Cookie. It's just so cute. It's just such a classic sweet Lolita piece. And at the bottom of the skirt, we have adorable AP ribbon lace in ivory. Super delicate, super adorable. This is an OP, so there is no shirring in the back. There is a very long zipper, and the waist ties are very simple, thin waist ties. And the sleeves are really adorable flouncy sleeves. This is one piece here, and then from here it kind of flounces off. Really, really cute and unique for a long sleeve OP from Angelic Pretty in my opinion. And the bottom of the sleeve has some long polka dot lace, and again the closure is with that cute cookie button. Adorable. So now that we've had a very thorough look through of this adorable dress, now I think it is time to go ahead and try it on and see what I think. Okay, so now I have the dress on and I have a few things to say. It's super, super soft on the inside. It's like velvety soft and I love it. Usually with Angelic Pretty's OPs, it tends to get tight for me around the shoulders because I just have broad shoulders, and I find that it's not too much of a problem with this. If I kind of reach out like this, it's like a little bit tight and a little bit restricting, but I am used to that at this point, honestly. But it's not nearly as bad as some other OPs that I have. Sometimes it's like I can't like even lift past this point, but I really, really love like the extra little bit of petty that they have underneath the skirt. I think it really helps create that cupcake shape, which is perfect for this super sweet style. But yeah, super adorable. I'm just like so stoked that I finally have this in my collection, and with the matching head bow, like I am beyond excited. This is so adorable, no flaws whatsoever. Perfection. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know, leave me a comment, leave me a like. Yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day. I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!